Hi guys, it's me Vince, and today I'm here in my house. Know what guys, I have a motorcycle because my dad using it my motorcycle. Know what, my dad is going to shoot that for the far away. It's gonna be far, but the shoot that is very far away. It's so far, but because guys, motorcycle, my dad using a white car, but the motorcycle is in the Palanas. But know what guys, we two, my mom, my brothers is in Palanas. Palanas is just going up in there. You stay there now. They're going up. Then we here. Then because guys, but because alright, so guys, we have CB and the speaker J. It looks like JBL, Jellybill, Jellybill, Jellybill. Alright, guys, so this is the remote. Right. So right, guys. This looks like a bear. Whose name is this? What's your name? You're Daddy. Alright guys, I was just play basketball, and I just watched TV, and I just wait in my phone. It's charged at 100, but I'm getting boring. But alright guys, so this is my T-shirt, the brand new T-shirt, and so guys, I had hurt. I have many hurt in my face. I just hurt in the fire. We're going to cemetery to meet my Wawa. Not my dad, his mom. Not his mom, his dad with Lola. But she's my Lola. She's my family. But his dad is my dad, and she had his dad because she wasn't brother, my dad, and her dad must be gonna die. I don't know. Oh my guys, so I have a chocolate. I will eat my chocolate. If you eat the chocolate, just drink a water. If you hurt a teeth, just going to dentist because dentist is so easy. She making remove and chocolate. I really hate chocolate. You want chocolate, guys? You want chocolate, guys? Here you go. Eat it. Eat up. But you can eat, huh? I'm just going to Cebu. Just look it at me. I'm here to Cebu. I live in Cebu. And my mom was Manila. My mom is stayed there Manila. You know what? My mom was the kid. She just stayed there Manila. And know what guys? He's grow up. Then she going to Cebu. But her wife, my dad, he's here in the Cebu. So hard to open. Wow, chocolate. So guys, we have a chocolate, and that looks like a butt. Don't watch. I'll eat. Ah. What am I gonna eat this, guys? Aha. Guys, if you're not eating this, just do this. Okay, we're gonna be remove this too. So guys, see? We're gonna remove it. Nice chocolate. So guys, because guys, I did you see the window? There's people in there. No? What am I doing? If I think I look at the girl. So must be good. So guys, I eating the chocolate. Nice chocolate. Alright guys, guys, just buy it the chocolate. There have some many chocolate. I like chocolate. So guys, click subscribe and channel. If you see my name, friend Ethan, just subscribe to me, please. Alright, thank you guys. Please click subscribe channel, like the button. I'll see you at next time. Bye.